Did you know how this background dancer from the Bronx, also named Queen of Dance, became one of the most influential entertainers of her time? If your guess is Jennifer Lopez, you are 100% correct. Jennifer Lopez was born in the Bronx of New York on 24 July 1969 to a Puerto Rican family of 3 daughters. Although raised in a Roman Catholic family, Jennifer wanted to be an entertainer from an early age. As a teenager, she learned flamenco, jazz, and ballet at the Kips Bay Boys and Girls Club. By high school, she began acting in school plays. After graduating from high school, she had a part-time secretarial job at a law firm and enrolled in college. At the age of 18, she enrolled as a full-time student at Manhattan's Phil Black Dance Studio, which made her parents unhappy. Her mother asked her to move out of the family home, which left her with no option but to sleep in the dance studio. Jennifer's first professional job came in 1989, touring across Europe as a backup dancer. And then in 1990, she danced alongside MC Hammer in an episode of Yo MTV Raps. She was then hired as a backup dancer for The New Kids on the Block. Her most high-profile job as a professional dancer was as a fly girl jazzfunk dancer on the sketch comedy television series In Living Color. She filmed In Living Color during the day and attended acting classes at night, gradually landing her into roles in film by early 1990s. In 1997, after years of hard work, she was given the starring role in Selena, the moment that changed Jennifer's life forever. Jennifer became the first Latina actress in history to earn $1 million for a role. Jennifer began starring in hit after hit, before landing into her own singing career with her debut album, On the Six, in 1999. An interesting fact about Jennifer Lopez is that she attended the Grammys in a green Versace dress, which nearly broke the internet and became the most searched photo in Google's history at the time, leading to the birth of Google Images. In 2001, with the vision to cater women of all sizes, Jennifer introduced her clothing line JLo. The following year, she released Glow, becoming one of the first celebrities to launch their own fragrance brand. In less than a decade, Glow would go on to generate over 20 spin-off products, generating $100 million in sales. Jennifer's ventures expanded, ranging from clothing to real estate. By 2020, Jennifer's clothing line generated over $300 million. In 2021, Jennifer launched JLo Beauty and Lifestyle. When Jennifer was asked about her secret to such brand building, she mentioned it's about being the scarce asset. Jennifer Lopez is regarded as the most influential Latin entertainer of all time and the highest paid Latina actress in history. Described as a branding pioneer, her brand, Glow, influenced the rise of celebrity fragrances in the 2000s with sales exceeding $2 billion as of 2012. Did you know about Jennifer's incredible story? Let us know in the comments section. If you like this story, go to our channel and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to turn on notification so that you don't miss out any video.